Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to convert Lazada coins to Lazada wallet. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. Step number 1. Open the Lazada app. Ensure that you are logged in into the Lazada account. If you don't have the app, download it from your app store and download the official app. Step number 2. Access your Lazada wallet. On the home screen, look for the Lazada wallet icon. You can usually find it in the bottom menu. Tap on it to open your Lazada wallet. Step number 3. Check your Lazada coins balance. Before converting, make sure you have a sufficient number of Lazada coins. You can check your coin balance by going to your profile or the Lazada rewards section. Step number 4. Redeem coins for vouchers. Currently, Lazada does not support direct conversion of coins to wallet cash. However, you can redeem your coins for vouchers. Go to Lazada rewards section. Browse available vouchers that you can purchase using your Lazada coins. Step number 5. Apply vouchers during checkout. After purchasing a voucher, it will be added to your account. When making a purchase, you can apply these vouchers at checkout to reduce the total amount you need to pay, effectively saving money that would otherwise be spent from a Lazada wallet. Step number 6. Enjoy your saving. Your Lazada coin will help you save more on your next purchase. The more coins you collect, the more you can save with vouchers. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.